Hello, good morning, IC Fitters. All right, this your girl C. Hagens, and production is here. Listen, we are coming to you this morning. Seamoss is very powerful. It's phenomenal. So let me show you how I make my protein Seamoss smoothie, okay? So what I do is I take my blender, and you can use any kind of blender, okay? This is a Ninja, but any blender will work, okay? And what I've done already is I've added my almond milk. As you can see, almond milk. Now, you can use almond milk, you can use cashew milk, you can use water, okay? And you can use your favorite juice. Make sure your juice is 100% juice. Don't use the sweetened juice with the high fructose corn syrup. Just make sure you use 100% juice, okay? So whatever your base is your choice, okay? So you take 8 ounces of your favorite base, and what you wanna do is add 1 tablespoon of this powerful Seamoss gel, okay? So what you want to do is go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of it here, add it to your base, all right? Seamoss gel is powerful. It has 92 of the 102 minerals that's inside our bodies, okay? It energizes you, all right? It helps you with your digestive system. It does so many amazing things for your body, all right? So once you add your Seamoss gel, you wanna go ahead and add your favorite veggie, all right? I have spinach this morning. Just add a handful of your favorite veggie, okay? You can do kale, all right? You can do spinach, whatever it is, okay? Add your favorite veggies. That's how you can sneak a veggie in, all right? And then you want to come and you want to add your favorite fruit. I have a berry mix this morning, okay? So I have some blueberries, frozen blueberries. You can do fresh, okay? Frozen blackberries, all right? You can do blueberries as well. I love blueberries, okay? They're very high in antioxidants, okay? So I add my fresh strawberries this morning, but you can do frozen strawberry, okay? If you don't want to buy fresh to save some coins, you can always buy frozen fruits, okay? And then the last thing I will add is frozen bananas, all right? So what I do is I take a regular banana, I peel it, and I put it inside of the freezer. I do like a bunch of those like that. So whenever I'm making a smoothie, I just take the frozen banana out of the freezer and just add it to my smoothie, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back and add my protein powder, all right? I normally add it right after I add the Seamoss gel, but this is the protein powder that I work with, okay? This is Vegan Sport, it's plant-based, all right? Which is good. And then lastly, I'm gonna add a few ice cubes, all right? The ice cube actually makes the smoothie taste sweeter, okay? So then what you wanna do, you wanna blend all your ingredients for 1 minute, all right? Set the blender to blend. Once you blend it for 1 minute, you go ahead and enjoy and get it in, all right? Any questions, please check out our website, www.icfitness.com. Any questions, you can chat with us there and we can answer any questions that you may have, all right? Stay strong, stay healthy. Let's go ahead and blend. Yay! There you go. Here we go. Seamoss protein smoothie. Very powerful. Phenomenal shake. Awesome job. Enjoy.